So students, in today's class we will continue with this. The successor, I have given one for your homework now, one question. The successor of the number. The successor of the number. The successor of the number 8713. Okay, the successor of the number 8713 is the predecessor of the number 8715. Okay, so the successor of the number 8713 is the predecessor of number 8715. So the successor for this number, he is telling what? The successor for this number, okay, will be the successor for this 8713 will be the predecessor of this number. So what is the number? The successor of this number. So let us find out the successor of this number. What is the successor? 8714. Okay, is the predecessor of that number. So 8715. For this predecessor, no, is the predecessor of the number 8715. So if you do minus 1, 8714. So if you write three numbers on the number line, 8713, 8714, 8715. Okay, the successor for this number will be the predecessor of this number. So predecessor will lie left side, whereas successor will lie right side to the given number. For this number, he is asking the successor. What is the successor for this 8713? 8714. And for this number, the predecessor is 8714. So the successor for this number will be the predecessor of this number. So this one is the answer. Okay, so hope you have understood this one. Next one. So in page number 75, recall the checklist for comparison of number. Okay, so there is a comparison of numbers. This is a heading. Comparison of numbers. Recall the checklist for comparison of numbers. So here he has given the number with more number of digits. The number with more number of digits is a greater number. Okay, the number with more number of digits is a greater number. The number with less number of digits is a smaller number. Okay, the number with more number of digits. So let us see. So 243 is there, 1563 is there. So what is the greatest among which number is greater? among these two? This number only, because it is having more number of digits. That's what he is saying. The number with more number of digits is the greater number. The number with less number of digits is the smaller number. So this one is the greater number because it is having 4 digits. This is a smaller number because it is a 3-digit number. Okay, so like that you have to understand the statements. Okay, so what is the next one? Next point is the number that comes later in the number line. Later in the number line is the greater number. So let us represent this in a number line. Okay, this is a number line. So here 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. This is for your example. I am starting from 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Among these, all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, which is the greater number? The number which is at last. So last means later. Okay, the number that comes later means after, means it is the number which comes in the ending of the number line is the greater number. How much far away it is there on the number line, that much greater it is. Okay, so that's what he is telling. So among the 6 number, 105 is what? Greater, no? Because it is in the latter section of the number line. Okay, so like this you have to understand the statements. So one more is there, one more statement. What is that one more statement? Just a minute. So what is the next point? Comparing okay, comparing from the left of the numbers. Comparing from left of the numbers, the number with greater digit in the same place is the greater number. Comparing from the left of the numbers, the number with greater digit in the same place is the greater number, Okay, so it's telling, so comparing from the left of the numbers, the number with greater digit in the same place is the greater number. So let us see the example. Okay, the example for this is 5333. So this is the example in your so let me discuss this first, and I am discussing second example here. Okay, I will say the first example next. Okay, example, because under this statement if I say the example it will be very clear. Okay, compare the numbers 5333 and 4333. Clear? Compare the numbers 5333 and 4333. Comparing from the left of the numbers, so this is from left to right now. If you are going from here left to right, the number with greater digit in the same place is a greater number. What he is telling, so 5333 is there, 4333 is there. Okay, so this is a 4-digit number and this is also a 4-digit number, but here in thousands place, this is thousands place now, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In thousands place, all ones, tens, hundreds, these 3 digits are same in both the numbers, but here 333, here also 333, completed. But in thousands place, here it is having 5333, here you are having 4333. Okay, so what he is saying, comparing from left to right, means left to right means this is left, this is right now, so from here to here, comparing from the left of the numbers, left means you have to come from left to right, the number with greater digit in the same place. So 5 is greater than 4 no, so here greater is what, 5, so 5 the greater digit in the same place. Both these numbers are in thousands place only, but the number with greater digit here between 5 and 4, which is the greater number, 5. So the number with greater digit in the same place. So 5 is the greater digit between 5 and 4. So 5 is greater, no? So this number in the same place. Both the numbers are in thousands place only, no? So same place is the greater number. So this number is a greater number because you are having 5 which is greater than 4 in thousands place. In thousands place you are having 5 here, no? So which one is greater? 5 is greater than 4, no? So you are having 5 in thousands place. Here you are having 4 in thousands place. These 3 are common in both of them. So the number with greater digit in the same place is the greater number. So this is the example. So 5333 is a greater number between these two. Among these two, this is the greater number. Okay, which if you are having same number of digits, the number which is having greater digit in the same place will be the greater number. Okay, like that you have to understand. So let us see the example 1. What is the example? Compare the numbers 3492 and 349. Okay, so this is the example for the statement. The number with more number of digits is the greater number, the number with less number of digits is the lesser number. So which is having more number of digits? Here you are having 4 digits, here you are having only 3 digits, so this is the greater number he is telling. Okay, so means 3492 is greater than 349. So we are comparing between both the numbers, so that's why this heading is comparison of numbers. Okay, so let us see the third example. Third example is okay, compare the numbers 5333 and 4333. Okay, compare the numbers 5333 and 4333. Sorry, what is this? So this one is completed, no? This one we have completed previously. First one just now we have completed, not this one. Compare the numbers. So we are seeing the third example. 3733, 3333, and next one is 3533. So let us compare both these numbers, 3733, 3533. So between these numbers, so this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so in thousands place, both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. In thousands place, here 3, here 3, common. Okay, you have to come from left to right. Left to right you have to start checking. So I am starting from thousands place. This is the left side. So 3, 3, common. In hundreds place, here 7 is there, here 5 is there. What I said, the number with greater digit in the same place. This is same place only, no? 7 and 5 are in there in hundreds place. But here the number which is having greater digit in the same place will be the greater number, no? So 7 is greater than 5, no? So that's why this number 3733 is the greater number than 3533. Okay? So 3733 is greater than 3533 because thousands place, tens place, ones place all are same, but you are having a change in hundreds place only because 7 is greater than 5. Both these are there in one place only, that is hundreds place. So this number is greater than this number. So like that you have to compare. Okay? So like that you have to compare. So if you see the second example, this comparison between 5333 and 4333, according to state 5333 and 4333, you can check it according to two statements. That is, according to second statement, that is the number which comes later on the number line will be greater. According to this also you can check, and according to the third statement, comparing the numbers from left, comparing from left of the numbers, the number with the greater digit in the same place is the greater number. So with second statement also you can check, this will come latter part of the number line. And if you check with the third statement, 5 and 4 both these are in same place, but 5 is greater than 4, no? So that's why this number will be greater. Like that also you can check. You can check in both the ways. Okay, second example. So we have completed 3 examples. So fourth example is, what is the fourth example? Compare the numbers two two 7 8 and 2268. Compare the numbers 2278 and 2268. So compare the digits 2278, 2268. You have to start from left and you have to go to right. In thousands place 2 2, both the digits are 2, so we can't say anything. In hundreds place you are having 2 and 2, you can't say anything which is greater or which is smaller because same digits are there. Here also same digits are there. There may be a chance of getting equal also. So in tens place you are having, here you are having 7, here you are having 6. Means 7 is greater than 6, no? In same place. They are in, both are there in tens place only. But 7 is greater than 6, no? So in ones place 8, 8, both are same. So as you are having in thousands place, hundreds place, in ones place, both the number are having same digit. Okay, in thousands place, in hundreds place, in ones place, both the numbers are having same digits. But in tens place you are having 7 here, you are having 6 here. In the same place only there is a change in the digit. Okay, so as 7 is greater than 6, this number is the greatest number. Okay, so that's why 2278 is greater than 2268. Clear? So this is given in your fourth example. Like that you should understand, okay? So next one. Example. Compare the digits compare the numbers. This is telling compare the numbers 22782 and 22781. Okay, so we have to do the comparison between these two places. Okay, these two numbers 22782, 22781. Okay, this is 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So in thousands place, in 10,000s place, both the numbers are having which digit? 2. In 10,000s place, both the numbers are having 2. In thousands place also, both the numbers have 2. Okay, so we are coming from left to right. Okay, in hundreds place, both the numbers. So if I am keeping two small lines like this is telling here if it is both, under this also you are getting both, here also both. The hundreds place, in hundreds place, both the numbers what you are having at the up, that will be implied to all this. Okay, so for this also, so to avoid confusion I will write the statement. Okay, because you will get confused. Both the numbers have 2. Clear? In thousands place, both the numbers have 2. In hundreds place also, both the numbers have 2. No, sorry, in hundreds place you are having 7. Okay, in tens place, both the numbers have 8. Okay, so here in 10,000s place, both the numbers are having 2. We can't say which one is greater, which one is smaller, because both the digits are equal. In thousands place also 2 is there, equal. In hundreds place 7 equal. In tens place 8 equal. But in ones place, here you are having 2, here you are having 1. As 2 is greater than 1 in the same place, both the digits are in ones place only, so that is the same place. As 2 is greater than 1, 22782 is greater than 22781, because in 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, you are having equal digits, equal numbers of equal value. But in ones place, you are having 2 here, you are having 1 here. So 2 greater than 1, no? That's why this number is greater than this number. That is the example. Okay. So like that you have to check. Okay, so here he has given in the box, compare the numbers in the page number 75, first pink color box he has given, compare the numbers 3542 and 542. Okay, in second he has given, compare the numbers. Compare the numbers. 32567, 32,567 and 32,548. So you have to do the comparison between them. You have to first read those 3 points which are there in the top of the page, and you have to compare them. This is for your homework. Okay, this is for your homework. So next question is also for your homework. What is that? Apples are transferred from Ooty to Chennai. That question is there, no? In 2 trucks. Truck A has 4, 5, 6, 7 2 apples, and truck B has a successor of the number of apples in truck A. Which truck has more number of apples? So both these questions in pink color box are your for homework. Okay, so first you have to try them, and once again I will say these in the next class, but you have to try both of them. Okay, so with this we have completed the topic. Next we will go to the exercise 1.3 in the next class. Okay, so you have to do this, both the questions in the boxes you have to do. That is for your homework. Next class I will explain from there. Okay, thank you.